So we've decided we want to control weeds in our paddock. Different woody weed species require different herbicide and application techniques to maintain long-term control. Consider these 5 easy steps. Identify the weed. Determine the best application method and product. Determine the time to treat is right. Evaluate the required equipment and assess your capability to do the job. So let's get started. Look at the weed to identify the weed species and its growth habit. We also need to consider how big the weed is and what size area the infestation covers. Does the individual weed cover a big or small area? Is the weed infestation dense or is it scattered? Are the weeds located near environmentally sensitive areas, including waterways and garden beds? Or located where machinery is inaccessible? Once we have identified the weed, it is important to choose the correct herbicide combined with the appropriate application method. Some common herbicide application methods include foliar spraying, cut stump application, basal bark application, hand application of granules, and stem injection. Utilize the Woody Weed Specialist's extensive weed control resources and tools to help decide the best herbicide and application method. The choice of application method or herbicide option may be influenced by the growth habit of the target weed. Is it the right time to treat to achieve best results? Is the weed actively growing? Are the weather conditions appropriate? Once we have determined how best to control our weeds, we need to look at the equipment required. Do we have access to appropriate equipment for the size of the job? And finally, do we have the capability to treat this target weed ourselves, or should we engage a contractor? At any stage, contact the Woody Weed Helpline and we can help to determine the most appropriate solution for your individual situation.